Page 31, Rock of Ages, Let Our Song. This is a Jewish song. Melodies all over. Look at the beginning here. It's all melody in the first measure. You gotta make it sound like one hand played the whole thing, so the hands have to be balanced out here. And then in the next measure, the left hand is soft. The second line's the same way. Pretty straightforward. The last line you get dotted rhythms again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and that's it. Phrasing, we want to hear the phrasing, so lift up in the right hand. There's a little bit of phrasing in the left hand because the left hand gets the melody in the third line for 2 measures. That's melody. Otherwise, the left hand is just connected. Except for the rest. Got to play the rest. Now I don't really have a lot to point out here. You got some F sharps stuck in occasionally. Not all Fs, but a few. Look at the third line down, last measure, right hand. That F sharp applies for the rest of the measure, so that second F is also a sharp. But only for that measure. And then once we go to the next measure, it doesn't. So in the last line, second measure, that's an F natural. Fingering wise, watch their fingering carefully. Like the first line, third measure, the right hand there. You're starting out here, but you got to come down and put your fourth finger on that F. So just come in a little bit. Same thing on the second line, same thing on the last line. So, yeah. Third line down, last 2 measures, you're here. And then they want the fourth finger on the G. Hopefully that's not a problem. It works okay. Oh, okay. It works out. And then come down for the last line here. You're lifting up and move. Let's try this out slowly. It's in common time or 4/4 time. It'll give us 4 counts and we'll just check it. Notes and rhythms. Right hand's here to start. Not going to stay there, but it'll be there. Left hand's here to start. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. 4 and